video, we're going to be doing a extended ponytail with no glue. Yeah, I'm going to be just wrapping it around. I'm going to, when I first start off, I'm going to make sure that it's sewn in properly. So today I'm going to be using basically thread, I believe. Did I do it this way before on my channel? I'm not sure. I think when I did this, I think when I did this on my channel, I did the glue way, and that was like years ago, like when I first did my big chop and my hair was like right here. So my natural hair has still been out, y'all, since December, and y'all know my hair is supposed to go away in February, but I've been feeling my natural hair, like really feeling it, so that's why I just left it out. I hope it's still growing because you guys see how I'm taking care of it. And why not do a ponytail when my natural hair is out? You guys know I don't really know how to do my natural hair, and when I say that, I mean, like, I don't know, I just feel like the wash and go sometimes is a hit or miss. My braid outs are definitely a hit or miss. Twist outs I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna try it. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing a ponytail. The hair I'm gonna be using today, I'm not even gonna tell you guys what company it is because it's trash. But then again, I'm using like 2 different companies, but I've used this hair for a ponytail. That's the reason why I'm using it for a ponytail, because Straga, this hair is trash, you can see. But yeah, no shade to that company though. But I do have a Eunice bundle in here, and you guys know how I feel about Eunice. So I have a Eunice bundle in here. This company, I'm not even gonna say the name, like, but this is a whole different curl pattern, so I'm not gonna use that. How long is this? Don't even know, but this looks kind of pretty. So I'm gonna be using this, but these curls are kind of loose. Let me see. Because this ponytail, I wanted to do real long and extra. Not too long, but when I posted my photos, I wanted to at least be like, right here. Like, I want to be extra. I want it to be under my butt. And y'all, if I sound weird, I have a cold, okay? So, yeah. So these are the 3 bundles I'm going to be using. Hopefully these patterns go together. If not, we're going to make it work. First I'm going to do is take my hair out of this matted ponytail. Yeah, my hair is like, this is sad. This is sad. I'm going to start off by just brushing up my hair.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay. Whew, just got hot. My hair is detangled. After this, I'm gonna wash my hair because I don't remember the last time I washed my hair. And we're about to be in April. Now we're gonna mold my hair down with I honestly don't want to use anything. I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Strong Holding Style Gel. This was honestly supposed to be edge control, but my sister bought me the wrong one. And I had this for a long time. Reason why it's dusty. I don't use it. I only used it like 1 time before. But this is the Sugar Melon scent. It smells good. It smells like candy. This smells like that scent. You guys ever had the melon spray from, I think it's Pink or Victoria's Secret? I don't know. They had like a melon spray that you had to shake up. This smells exactly like it. But as you guys can see, this is still full. Like I said, I only used it 1 time. So I'm going to go ahead and mold my hair down into the ponytail.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so finally got my hair molded down as good as I want it to be. Now I'm just gonna hurry up and do my edges before my hair gets hard. And after this, I'm gonna definitely have to wash my hair because all this gel I just put in it. So this is as flat as it's gonna get because my hair is not straight. So I don't really care for it to be too perfect because I'm not working with straight hair. I'm working with curly hair. If I was working with straight hair, I probably would have straightened my hair or, you know, did a little sunshine. But right now, we're just gonna work on my edges.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so y'all, I'm finally done with my baby hair. I love this side, of course, way more than this side. You guys can see I kind of struggled on this side. I can't really do my baby hair that well on this side. But, for the most part, I feel like I did okay on this side. Just okay. For me, okay. So now what I'm going to do, honestly, the younger me used to just wear my hair just like this. You know, ponytail, edges. I'm going to just tie my hair down. I'm going to spray a little bit of Got2b. I don't really want my hair to be stiff. But, the flyaways, I kind of want them to, you know, go down a little bit. You feel me? I want this to be a sleek, perfect ponytail. So, and that's going to dry whenever that dries. So now I'm just going to just braid my hair in the French braid. Okay, so I told you guys I want it to be past my butt, I believe. Did I ever do a ponytail that long? I think I used straight hair. If I had some straight bundles, ooh, I would have bust out a nice, sleek, straight ponytail. But in that case, we can't because we don't have straight bundles. I'm trying to see which length is longer. Yeah, ignore my floor. My floor has issues. It talks a lot. I'm going to put this at the end of the ponytail. When I put this at the end of the ponytail, it stops about... Let me zoom you guys out so you guys can see. Okay. When I put this at the end of the ponytail, it comes down to about here. Like literally past my butt, exactly where I want it. So that's what I'm going to start to sew it at. Alright, yeah. So my camera is like overheating. I don't know why. But I just wrapped it around a couple times. And I'm going to do it one more time on camera in case it turns off again. And by the time I come back, I might just be done. But I'm going to put the needle through the weft. I'm going to put the needle through the braid as if I'm sewing onto the braid, which I am. And you're going to put that in a little loop, pull it, and then boom. That's going to secure the bottom. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep twisting up.
It's not a again. It's a red skin.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop right here. Because I wrapped it up enough. I'm going to stop right here. And just sew this. So I can make sure it's Gucci. It's not going nowhere. I feel like I should have doubled it. I feel like it's looking thin to me.
It's not a game. It's a red skin.
This is a ponytail so far. I finished right here and I sewed that with. This is how it looks so far. So the next bundle I'm gonna single and I'm gonna leave a little bit spaces in between. I'm not gonna go as close because this is real. Oh my god, y'all, look how full this is. This is mad full. This is so full, but it's nice because I know when it's like wet and have mousse on it, it's gonna look mad good. It's gonna look mad good. It's gonna look mad good. The neck. This is all I have left. Why did I think I had more? I had more. I'm not doing this ponytail over. Nah, this is not funny. Hey, this is so freaking funny, y'all. This is mad funny. This is all I have left. This is what I get. This is what I get. Thinking I know everything. Okay, so. Yo, this hair is so bad, yo. Dang. And no, this is not a company, y'all, that I promoted. Like, heck no. Like, this hair is bad. So, this is definitely not enough for the rest. Should I just unhook that and just leave spaces between it? I think I'm about to just do this over. But I like this thick look. I like it. It's gonna look nice. Okay, so I feel like if I space it out, y'all, enough, I will have enough, basically. And this is how it would look. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back when everything is done. Okay, so yeah, I'm finally done in the back. I had to take off the scarf because it was just in the way. I just was late, though. Stop playing with me. This is how the back look. I hope it doesn't look too off because I had to, leave spaces. I had to leave some big spaces in between the second bundle so I can have enough, basically. But this is real thick, y'all, and it's really giving. I should have never did the bottom that close. Should have known better, but ponytail is real thick. Hopefully when I wet it, it's not, I don't know, I kind of like it thick. I just feel like it's gonna look cute for pictures. So what I'm gonna do now, dang, I can't even take a little piece from the bottom and wrap it around because it's not gonna look right. Let me see if I take a picture. It doesn't look too bad, y'all, right? It doesn't. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep wrapping. I'm gonna spray my freezing blast spray around the ponytail, on the hair so it could stick. The back is looking good. Yeah. The last step to do is wet it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this ponytail. I love it. Like, I love it. You go wet this ponytail. You don't really gotta drench it, but we need to see some curls. Feel me? My hat just scared me out. That's why I was standing on my wall. Okay. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Make sure they... Okay. This is good enough right here. Once the hair gets dry and get a little bigger, I'm going to like it even more. So, this is how the ponytail turned out. Exactly what I wanted. The length and everything. This is exactly what I wanted. The ponytail in the back. How it comes down past my butt. Yes. Jacking it OD. I love it. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know down below. And I'll figure out other styles I can do with my natural hair while it's still out, you know? So, once again, I'm not telling y'all who hair this is because it's just not it. I don't remember the company. But, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.